our green tea. So we're gonna pop open here. And I'm gonna turn my RPMs up to help extract the product. You see we got a nice creamy product. Look at that color. It's a little off colored, right? But it really looks good. And as you can see, our tea leaves, when we were concerned, right, because we had all these tea leaves that were pouring into the machine and we didn't want them to just contaminate the ice cream and make it look too speckled, but they actually incorporated right into the product and it gave it a nice color, really nice color. And look at the sheen of the ice cream, nice smooth creaminess. I'm really, really happy with this. You know, you have people that have the vanilla bean and they say the bean, well, the bean doesn't really do anything for flavor, right? Just texture and appearance. When I was putting the tea leaves in the green tea, I was a little concerned with, well, is this thing going to come out so speckled that it's going to be a turnoff for some people? Well, as you can see, that's not the case. The machine kind of blended those tea leaves. And that did two things. It removed the speckles, which is okay, right? And it also helped homogenize and infuse the flavor of those leaves into the ice cream. We got this running. Make sure we get all our product out. I think we are good to go. Let's shut her down. Our dasher to stop spinning there. The nice part about our machine, open this door. Look how clean that barrel is. All our product, all our money is in this tub and not sitting on the barrel. All our yield is on the tub. That does two things. It puts all the money in the tub and it also helps us during our rinsing and cleaning. So our rinsing and cleaning time is so much less because we designed that barrel to be able to scrape and get all that product into the tub. And here we have delicious green tea ice cream.